Hello and welcome back to Tech 2. For today's episode, we brought you a convection microwave oven that has a two-way heating for faster cooking. Panasonic 27L convection oven is powered by dual grills on the top and back, and they work simultaneously. The oven rapidly raises temperature at this direct heat along with an airtight seal to prevent heat escape, helps prepare food that is crispy on the outside and juicy inside. First look, the oven comes with a capacity of 27 liters and it's good for families of 4. The 900 watts oven provides enough power for fast and even cooking. The touch keypad is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. The menu comes with 101 auto-cook presets, so you can cook a wide range of dishes. This countertop microwave with glass turntable is compact, allowing you to devote lost space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Performance. With auto-programmed time and modes and hassle-free defrosting, you can reheat in just few minutes. The powerful oven works great to cook meat, fish, soup and vegetables with just a press of a button. Comes with 101 presets menu options to choose from. You can prepare chef-like cuisines with the auto-cook menu feature. Reason to buy. The oven comes with wide variety of pre-programmed presets and cooking time and temperature settings that will help you cook all kind of cuisines. The capacity of oven is 27 liters, which is great for a family of 4. The oven is powered by dual grills on the top and back that work simultaneously. The oven also has auto-program modes for defrosting different kinds of food items. If you are thinking of getting a convection oven for your home, you should definitely consider Panasonic 271 convection microwave. That's it for today. See you again for some more product recommendations. Goodbye.